Today is not Mother's Day. Tomorrow is not Mother's Day, but because I'm gonna be gone for Mother's Day, we're celebrating Mother's Day today.
Deborah's gonna leave, but I'll be with her mom for Mother's Day.
They're gonna have a great time together, but we're gonna have an even better time today. Good morning! Happy Mother's Day!
Huh?
Happy Mother's Day!
오늘이 Happy Mother's Day야?
No, it's not Mother's Day, but we're gonna celebrate it today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You can sleep in. Do you want to sleep in?
No, 일어나야지.
Okay.
일어날게.
She's very excited for fake Mother's Day. She's awake!
Yes. I thought it was Saturday, so everybody sleep.
It is Saturday. Stop number 1 is brunch because we need some food so we can do all the other things we have planned for today.
Excuse me.
She has no idea what we're doing.
I need a nap time.
We came to our favorite brunch spot.
Coffee or some coconut coffee, it's like a latte.
Do you want a special coffee or just like a regular?
Regular food.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you very much.
My favorite, biscuits and gravy.
Scrambled egg, bacon, French toast.
I also got the biscuits and gravy. Before we move on to our next planned activity for the day, we're gonna play a little game.
Little game?
The rules are that Mom, who's the only participant in this game, has to pronounce at least 5 Alaskan cities correctly to get her prize later.
It's so cute with you, so I will take care of well and I love it. 5, no problem.
What's this one?
Anchorage.
Good job! That's 1.
I have been there a long time ago.
How do you say it?
Talkeetna.
Wow!
Fairbanks.
Woo! We should play the Jeopardy music.
Yeah.
웃기야 아니 집 아니 웃기야 그백 Yeah, we never take that town, so I don't know. 웃기야 백.
All right, so you have 3.
You have 3.
You only need 2 more.
How many do you have?
Okay. I know. I used to say seaweed, but seaweed. 아니야. Sword.
No.
No, it's a sword.
All right, you're at 3. I don't think we can count that one.
I don't think so either.
Sword. There is a town named Nome.
Good job!
Good.
Yeah!
What? I know this one. Ketchikan.
Yeah!
Oh, that one was your easiest one yet.
The Mother's Day question.
Yeah, it's a test.
Mother's Day test.
Now you get your prize later.
It's so cute with just. Oh, thank you. Exciting.
Good job, Mom. You passed.
Good job.
Thank you, Dyla.
Our next activity now is going thrifting.
Oh, sounds good.
We're visiting 3 thrift stores, and the rule is everyone needs to find something to take home with them. Each one.
At each one?
At each store.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ready to go check it out?
Ready.
First stop is Salvation Army.
I got a clipboard and a kid sweater. Good. Thank you.
I got a mystery bag. Who knows what? A little tight.
Oh, it's cute. And I got some books. Some that I've been wanting to read. Next stop is Value Village, but we have a surprise. Coupons! You get a coupon! You get a coupon! No, I get a coupon.
I got a nice sweater. You know, I shrinked my sweater. Could do this much. It's so tight too. Oh, so small. I can wear it now.
I got a moose mug. Has a moose inside. I can't wait to have some coffee.
Got a pink sweater and a black sweater. Very last stop today for thrifting is Goodwill. And we got another coupon. Here you go, Mom.
Oh.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you very much. So Alaska, I think because it's May, still my head is cold. So I got an Alaska hat. It's my souvenir.
Everyone go tell her how cute she is.
Oh, I'm like, thank you.
An alarm clock that charges your phone. For me.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
It's a DIY gnome house.
Thank you.
Now we're off to go have some really fun drinks.
Do you want me to take off your? Do you want me to take off the price tag?
Oh, price tag.
I was influenced to come here from Instagram. So I'm finally making them stop.
I am gonna do a golden melt.
She's gonna do the Coco Loco. I'm gonna do the Sour Power. Never been here before, but their drinks look amazing.
Thank you. Wow.
Whoa.
You do a video or something?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, have a good day.
Yes, you
Yeah.
too. Thank you.
Thanks. I almost said you too.
I did too.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's good.
Cocoa Loco, Cocoa Loco, Cocoa Raco, Cocoa Raco, Cocoa Loco. I think this is for the chocolate logo.
Tastes like a slushie. It's so good. It wouldn't be a true Mother's Day if she didn't get a nap.
I need a nap time. Yeah. See you later. Go to nap some.
Good morning.
Hi, Julie. Oma. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good nap. I feel much better.
The next place we're going is a local Mother's Day market pop-up. So there's a couple local artists there, and I wanted to show Mom because she's an artist also, and I thought it'd be fun for her to see some of the local Alaskan art. So we're gonna go check it out.
Sounds good.
The parking lot is full, and it looks like there's a lot of people here, and I feel kind of awkward filming on my camera, so we're gonna switch to my phone. I found so many new goodies to take home with me. I'm gonna put them on the screen right now.
And I even got my mom a Mother's Day present.
Was it fun, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
Now to one of our last stops, which is dinner.
Oh, you're watching me.
We ended up getting the shio ramen, the shoyu ramen, and the tonkatsu ramen. What do you think your prize is?
Ice cream shop?
No. Are you enjoying your Mother's Day?
Oh, yeah, it was very fun day.
You know what it is? We're getting you a fish.
No.
Yeah.
Don't
A
give me
beta. We have a fish tank in our room. We're getting you a fish.
I'm not gonna take care of you.
Yeah, you have to. It's your pet.
Pat, what you gotta do?
I don't know. I can take care of myself. It's too surprise. Too much surprise.
All right, let's go.
Honestly, I think Tyler's more excited. Which one are you gonna pick, Mom? You can pick any. Which one looks like someone you can love?
This one.
That
I
one?
feel like I'm a little child today.
All right, buddy, you're coming home with us.
I got a strange gift for Mother's Day.
Yeah.
This is gift, so I will take care of well, and I love it.
Did you enjoy your Mother's Day?
Yeah, many unsurprised fun games. Betta fishy.
A big. We need to give him a name.
피쉬를 이름을 줘야 돼?
If you have a name suggestion, drop it in the comments because Mom needs some help. Okay, Mom, happy Mother's Day.
Thank you very much.
Love
I
you.
love you.
Love you too.
It was a wonderful day.
Yeah, it was fun. Ready? We're gonna say see you next week. Ready? To them.
Oh,
Ready?
okay.
See you next week.
Everybody have a good Mother's Day. Thank you.